Hello everyone, welcome to the video for clinical notes entry. So this video will explain to you how to enter the notes in the clinical notes in iDeRMS. First of all, you need to go to treatment plan and please ensure you have inserted the treatment plan prior to using the clinical notes. For students, you have to ensure your your treatment plan has been approved by your clinical supervisors. After that is done, you can go to the clinical notes. If this reminder shows up when you click the clinical notes, it means that your patient has yet to sign the general consent in this item. So just click OK and go to END and go to the consent and click the general. Alright, so it means that your patient has not done the general consent, so you cannot do the entry in the clinical note. So please ensure the consent is signed by your patient and whoever attending the patient. Okay, so both dentist and or student can do this, and then click submit. Right, once you have done that, you're now able to use the clinical notes. Okay, so again, for the clinical notes, for you to use it, you have to ensure the patient has registered either at the counter at the main lobby, or the patient can check in using their iDeRMS passport application. Alright, so you will see this button on top left, which is sign in patient. So click the sign in patient button. Yes, proceed. And now you can use it. Alright, so for you, in order for you to use the what we call this, the clinical notes, please ensure go to the treatment plan here. Okay, and you may use whatever listed out here for the clinical notes. Okay, so let's say the new clinical notes now is able for you to do a single note for multiple procedures. So I'm gonna add multiple procedures for the purpose of the demo. So I'm gonna add amalgam restoration, pulp therapy, and also consultation. Okay, so once I've done that, these three codes will appear on the left of the clinical notes page, and these three notes actually can have a single three procedures can have a single note down here. So you may write whatever you want to write for the notes. Okay, that is just example. You may now use some edit button, so you can do some editing like bold, or you can do for italic, and you can adjust the margin and all. Okay, and you have some bullets as well. So once you're done, you can click plus button here to save it. Right, so now you have one clinical notes, and please ensure update the status. If this one is completed, just click complete procedure, and maybe the pulp therapy is not yet finished, so you can click set incomplete, and then if the consultation is completed, and just complete procedure. Okay, for student, you need to give the QR code from that will appear here to your supervisor to verify. Okay, so that's very easy for you to insert the clinical notes. All right, with that, thank you.